Assalamu alaikum all my dear students. I am Ms. Jazba from the Smart School, the Sir Syed Ahmed Khan campuses and Gulistan Johar campus. I am your grade 3 class teacher and today's recorded subject is Social Studies. We were previously discussing about chapter 3 in your text, in your books, weather. But today we have already done the working of discussion and reading of page number 13 and 14, but now in today's lecture we are going to discuss page number 15 and we are going to do some exercises of book as well, so be ready with your pencils. Take it out from your bag, Smart Social Studies 3, so that we can continue our chapter weather's discussion, and open page number 15. Now, these are some important weather signs that we discussed in our previous class as well. Like, first one is the sunny weather. Like, it has mostly sun over the day, no clouds and nothing else. The second one is sun is covered by clouds. It means it's a cloudy day. Another one is overcast. Overcast is the condition when their whole sky is covered with black clouds and you cannot even see a little amount of sunlight. That is when it is about to rain. Thunderstorm. Thunderstorm is a weather condition in which the proper lightning you can see in the sky with some heavy clouds on it. Next is partly sunny. Partly sunny is a condition in which it is sunny but it is covered with clouds as well. Fog. Fog is a condition when you cannot even see anything clear. It is mostly happening in wintry days. So we don't see fog that much in Karachi, but most of the other parts of the Pakistan does see this fog. Showers. Showers is a condition when it is light rain. Not that much, like whole day it is raining, a little amount of rain but continuously rains is known as shower. Heavy rain, we have experienced it in previous days as well, that heavy rain is a condition when it rains too much that the whole city is under the warning, or it's not that even good to go out in this heavy rain as well. Do enjoy it but don't go out that much in heavy rain. Another one, rain with sun. It's the condition when the sun is over on the sky, you can see the sunlight but it also is raining. That is barely being seen in over here. Next is snowy, means the snowfall is being happening from the clouds but we don't see that sight as much. We are here in Karachi, the condition of our city is not that cold, it's moderate temperature or hot temperature mostly. Partly cloudy nights means it's cloud covered the whole sky, means partly cloudy. So these are the most important weather signs: sunny, cloudy, overcast, thunderstorm, partly sunny, fog, showers, heavy rain, rain with sun, snowy, partly cloudy night. Now what we have studied up till now is what is weather. We discussed that weather is changed day to day, it changed day through day, and it's a condition of the atmosphere at a particular place and time. Weather conditions, that what the weather conditions are, there are three weather conditions, main three weather conditions, that is sunny, cold and rainy. Number 3, measuring weather. We discussed about the tools, instruments that are meteorologists. Meteorologist is a person who studies weather, used to measure instruments. So those instruments are used to measure weather are thermometer, rain gauge, wind vane, anemometer and sunshine recorder. These were the 5 measuring weather units that we discussed. Now topic today is finding out about weather. Every day radio and television networks of the world give us weather reports and a weather forecast. They tell us that how are the conditions going to be, how we are going to face day to day, even within a day, how many weather conditions are going to change. Like if it's raining in the morning, it will change in till the noon, and it will change in the evening, and it will change again till the night. So this is how our weather network works. They give us the reports about the weather and forecast. They tell us that how the weather is going to be, how we are going to face the daily weather, and how the whole country is going to face. Newspaper also print a weather report and forecast on daily basis, because it is very important to check out the weather, because if we know what weather conditions are going to be today, we will plan our things according to that. So we are very much grateful for these daily forecasts that we see on radio, we listen on radio, saw in television networks, and read on newspapers as well. Weather report. A weather report is the condition of weather of a particular place for a specific period of time. Means it does tell us about that what weather condition is going to happen on a certain area, and what is the period of a time that they are going to see. Like just have a look at this, like it's a Pakistan's weather condition. It is written the different names of the cities and how they are going to see, they are going to face the temperature over here. Like you can see the first one, Aptabad is going to have a 28-degree temperature. It is having a having a sunny and cloudy kind of a weather. Over here you can see over Multan, it is showing the total clouds, the 36 degrees centigrade. So this is what a total weather report is. It tells us about that what are the weather conditions are from place to place. Now moving on to the next one is weather forecast. It is the live streaming that we see on our television screens, that how the weather we are going to face today. So a weather forecast is the prediction of what the weather of a specific place is likely to be, and for the next day or for the next few days. Like this is the weather forecast of one city, only one city, that is telling that, like for example, it's a weather forecast of a New York City, or you can say Karachi as well, that how the weather is going to be on the New York City in Tuesday, how is it going to be on Wednesday, and how is it going to be on Thursday. So it does predict about the weather condition, that how we are going to change is going to change from one day to next day and another next days for the whole week. They tell us about, and they predict that what if it's, you can see that it's raining, and the next day it's a thunderstorm, and the very next day it's a proper cloud sunny day. So this is how our weather change, and the instruments they use to measure all of these things, though we have discussed in our previous lecture, were also the thermometer for the temperature. For rain we use rain gauge, and for the windy weather we use wind vane. Anemometer is used to tell the speed of the wind. Sunshine recorder is used to measure the amount of the sunshine. So these are the instruments used by the meteorologists to tell us about the prediction of what the weather condition we are going to face for the next few days. So that is what the weather forecast is. Now open your books, page number 16. We are going to solve this exercise, question number 1 and question number 2 of your. Now question number 1 of your book, page number 16 is, take out your pencil and do it with me. Write down your date on the right hand side, left hand side, and CW on the right hand side. Question number 1 is, fill in the blanks with the help of the vocabulary. These are the things that we have mentioned over here, like sunshine recorder, rainfall, wind vane, Celsius and Fahrenheit, and warm. We have to use some of it, all of it in these 5. So let's just see how we are going to use them. Temperature is measured in dash. I know you all are answering me right. Yes. Celsius and Fahrenheit. The number 1's answer is Celsius and Fahrenheit. Temperature is measured in Celsius and Fahrenheit. Number 2, we wear dash clothes in winter. What kind of a clothes we do wear in winter? Warm. We wear warm clothes in winter. Good job, guys. Number 3, a dash records the amount of sunshine. Well, this one is obvious. We all know the answer. The answer is yes, sunshine recorder. So a sunshine recorder records the amount of sunshine. Number 4, the dash can be measured by a rain gauge. What can be measured by a rain gauge? A wind vane or rainfall? Yes, rainfall. So the answer of number 4 is rainfall. The dash is used to measure the direction of wind. The one that is left, wind vane. Wind vane is used to measure the direction of wind. This was actually gave you a quick review about the chapter as well. This one is a very easy and interesting chapter that you will find. Now, moving on to the next exercise, that is exercise question number 2 on this page, is this. You need to have your scales with you. No one will make the lines without their scales. Proper scales should be with you. So the question is, match the weather conditions with weather symbols. Here are the written weather conditions like cloudy weather, sunny weather, snowy weather and thunderstorm. And these are the weather symbols. It is very easy. So cloudy weather. Let's just see which one is it. This one? No, not this one as well. Yes, this one. So we will match cloudy weather with this one because this one is actually a cloudy weather. Now let's just see which one is the sunny day. Sunny day is the day with most sun in it. So yes, this one is sunny day. Snowy weather. Now which one is a snowy weather? Snowy weather is the one with snow falling from it. So this one is snowy weather. Thunderstorm. Thunderstorm is the one with the lightning symbol over here, the thunder symbol over here. So this one is thunderstorm. I hope you all enjoyed these exercises doing with me as well. Let's just move to the next one. So this is just the end of the video. We have discussed about 2 things in this video, that what weather report and what weather forecast is. And we have solved question number 1 and 2 of page 16 of your books as well. So this is the end of the chapter explanation. We are going to do a lot more exercises in it in our live sessions as well. We are going to discuss a few more things over there as well. Till then, take care of yourself all. I am signing off. Allah Hafiz.